The controversial businessman and ZANU-PF-linked entrepreneur Chivhayo is once again sparked public outrage after posting a picture of himself wearing a t-shirt emblazoned with a letter B, boasting of his wealth, while millions of Zimbabweans continues to endure economic hardships. Sinapita mashoko blenyu panapa chinokonzi aiwa panapa Chivhayo omhura varombo nyika yeZimbabwe ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Zimwe blenyu comes in a statement shared on his social media platform over the weekend. Chivhayo wrote, "Outbound, take note the B is for the inevitable billionaire status that is coming my way against all odds. Makatangirwa nedare regera yevakomana." The message filled with bravado suggested that Chivhayo believes his rise to immense wealth is unstoppable and immune to public scrutiny or criticism. His comments have struck a nerve with many Zimbabweans who are grappling with soaring inflation, unemployment, and a deteriorating healthcare system, with the cost of living rising daily and basic services in a decline. Chivhayo's flamboyant display of wealth has been widely condemned as insensitive and out of touch. Political analysts said Chivhayo's comments reflect the arrogance of allies who benefit from state-linked contracts, while ordinary citizens cannot even afford bread or access decent medical care. Many critics also accuse Chivhayo of flaunting ill-gotten wealth gained through opaque government deals, including controversial energy contracts that have yielded little in terms of results but reportedly paid out millions. Ndomaswa kuda panguva ine vanhu vachimukriticize pamusoro pezis picture ramuri kuona ava rano yanyora B patisheti yake ndichisignala kuti aiwa is now becoming a billionaire, but ari kuva billionaire nemari dzekuba nemari dzematenda samakonzi ari fraudulent. Kana comment section medu kuzomafungura yemwe kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.